Oh my gosh, it smells so green and so delicious. Morning salad is ready. Oh my gosh, we almost died waiting for it. Oh, it's just satisfying. Oh, I can smell fresh parsley, everything. My name is Oksana. A little bit of my favorite blend spice. Hey friends, today we're making sprouted mung bean salad, super filling, high in plant protein, magnesium, fiber, antioxidants. A true gift for your liver, your gut, your pancreas. If you don't know what sprouted beans are and how to sprout mung beans, watch this video right here. The ingredients are simple and a perfect choice for lunch. They will not make you sleepy, unlike other heavy lunches. Celery is a powerful vasodilator, meaning it has the ability to lower blood pressure. It works very much like a lot of hypertension drugs. And it also works similar to Viagra. Avocado is a good fat and a true gift for your liver. It has the ability to reduce inflammation of the liver cells. So we got all the ingredients in a bowl. Now let's add some spices to it. And I have my favorite spice blend. If you don't know how to make it, check out this video right here. And oh my gosh, I forgot the most important ingredients. It's going to melt really quickly. And pepper, oil. What oil do you want to use for your salad? So it supercharges your salad. And this is a good way to have your daily dose. It is enough for, I think, like 2 people. I don't call it a smoothie because it doesn't taste like a smoothie, it tastes like a salad. Breakfast, literally breaking your fast because last time you ate was yesterday. Everyone says we need protein in the morning, and we are incorrectly led to believe that only animal products are good sources of protein. Let me share a healing secret with you. Shh. Turmeric, a king of all spices. I talk about turmeric in my other videos, so make sure to check it out. You only need like a little bit, like a pinch. And then you need to activate the curcumin, the active part in turmeric. Okay, give it a good spin, and it's gonna be ready! Cheers! This mouth-watering salad will help you clean your colon of toxic buildup and make you regular. Also perfect for whole body detox and weight loss. Oh, I forgot to say the name of it. It's a brush salad. Are you ready to scrub your gut? All of these are super high in fiber. And let's start with cabbage because we need to massage it a little bit and we want to let it sit. Let's go. The thinner you slice your cabbage, the better it's going to taste. There is research that shows eating cabbage more than once a week cuts the odds of colon cancer by as much as 60%. Did I give you enough reasons to start eating more cabbage? Yeah, so I like how it shreds, but I don't like how it holds. It's juicing it out. Final touches, chop up some parsley. So we want like about 2 tablespoons. This is what I'm gonna use. Salt and pepper to taste. Look how colorful it is. The rule of thumb, by the way, the more colors are in your salad, the more your gut loves it. If you want a deep gut cleanse, eat this salad, only this salad, for 1 full day, once a week, for 1 to 3 months. Let me know what healing meal you want me to cook next.